The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2012 through 2018 Audi A6 Sedan. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp roof rack, which is comprised of the 53-inch long silver wing bars. Black bars are also available. The Evo Clamp foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and Fit Kit 145083. Locks are available as an additional accessory, but are not required. Overall, you have a carrying capacity of 132 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars are spaced at 28 3/8 inch center to center. So a great rack for all different types of gear and accessories, from bikes, kayaks, and cargo. And this has been just a quick look at this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit in a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.